Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the hopper on your Woodwind Pro pellet grill. Before we get started, like always, make sure that it's unplugged and it's had time to cool down. But without further ado, let's get into it. We'll start by removing all of the internal racks and grease tray. Next, we need to remove the smoke box assembly. You can do this by undoing the 4 screws on the bottom of the plate. Next, we need to disconnect the internal probe by removing these 2 screws. But before we can get to that, we need to remove the rack mounts. And you can do that with the 2 external screws on the outside. Now we can remove the 2 screws here. And you can slide the tower off. Now we need to undo the screws on the bottom plate. There should be 7 screws located along the bottom and side. With the hopper plate removed, locate the thermometer wire and connector and undo that. Back up on the hopper side, we now need to undo these 2 screws. The last step in order to get the hopper off is undoing these 6 screws. And while you're doing this, the weight of the hopper could fall off the other side, so make sure to grab a buddy to hold it up for you. Remove the 2 screws on the bottom plate below the internal probe. With that plate removed, you can now carefully remove your internal probe thermometer. Now we can remove the hopper. Now that your hopper is removed, you can send it back to Camp Chef for additional testing or troubleshooting, and then you can reinstall your new hopper in reverse order. Hopefully this video helped you in replacing the hopper on your Woodwind Pro. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline. Thank you.